This is not an ordinary potato. This plant can feed you year after year, without fertilizer, without chemicals, and without expensive care. Most people walk past it every day without knowing it might be one of the most powerful food plants on Earth. It grows quietly. It asks for almost nothing, and yet it gives back more than most crops ever will. Today, you'll see why this sweet potato is called nature's free food. Sweet potatoes are different from most vegetables. Unlike crops that depend heavily on fertilizer, sweet potatoes naturally improve the soil they grow in. Their vines spread across the ground, protecting moisture and reducing weeds. Underground, the plant slowly stores natural sugars, which is why it becomes sweet without adding anything artificial. This is nature doing the work, not chemicals. How it grows with minimum care. Sweet potatoes don't demand perfection. They tolerate poor soil. They survive heat. They continue growing even when neglected. Once planted, parts of the root often remain in the soil, and the next season the plant grows again. No replanting every year, no heavy maintenance, just simple survival, the way plants were meant to grow. Why it doesn't need fertilizer. Many crops fail without constant feeding. Sweet potatoes don't. Their root system explores deep soil layers, pulling nutrients naturally. Instead of fast growth, they grow slow and steady. This slow growth creates stronger roots, better taste, and healthier soil. In many traditional farms, sweet potatoes were grown without any fertilizer at all, long before modern chemicals existed. Why farmers and home gardeners love it. For small farmers, sweet potatoes mean lower costs, no expensive inputs, no repeated spending. For home gardeners, it's one of the easiest food plants to grow. Even a small space can produce a surprising harvest. Leaves can be used as food. Roots can be stored for months. One plant, multiple benefits. Health and food security. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins, and natural energy. They support digestion. They provide long-lasting fullness. In many parts of the world, sweet potatoes are survival crops, grown during hard times when other crops fail. This plant has quietly saved lives without ever making headlines. Modern farming teaches us that food must be forced, but the sweet potato teaches us something else, that abundance can come from patience, that nature doesn't need shortcuts. While we chase faster growth, nature grows quietly, year after year. Maybe the future of food isn't about adding more chemicals, but about trusting plants that already know how to survive.